Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a 100% free but professional looking custom thumbnail you can use on your YouTube's video. You can spend a thousand to video editing or edit thumbnails. I will show you how to make 100% free using Pixlr. What I really like about Pixlr is you can use it as just online. You don't have to download if you don't want to, but there's an option you can download and there's an option just do it online. And very easy, okay? Let's go to the Pixlr website. Okay, this is the website. I will put the link of this website. That way you can just click and you don't have to look for it, Just click that link and we'll bring you to this website. This is Pixlr. Okay, so when you click that link, will bring you to this page. What you can do is just click free vector editor. Okay, so click that free vector editor. There is an option download, it's free, or using online. Since I am logged in already, instead online, the option here it said new file. But once you're not logged in, you don't have an account yet, and you're not logged in, I will show right here online. Okay, there is two options: download, it's free, online. So since I am logged in right now, what it said instead online is new file. So when you click that link, it's attached on the bottom of my video, will bring you to this website and click free vector editor and will bring you here. So just click sign up. You can sign up using your Facebook. If you have a Facebook, it's very easy. You just link your Facebook account to this. So once you have account and you're logged in instead online, it shows new file. Since I am logged in, and I will show you guys how to do the thumbnails. It's very easy. Okay, you don't need to have knowledgeable on computer. There's no required of computer programming whatsoever about computer. So it's very simple. Okay, let's go. I will show you now. First of all, when you on this page, just click new file. When you click new file, will bring you, and there is the blank page here. Okay, so it's very simple in it. I will show you quick and easy to make professional looking thumbnails. Okay, this is the upload image. If you have already image on your computer and ready to upload, just click that upload and then we'll show you here. Okay, if you don't have it, you can just Google some image. Okay, so example is you want a blue background, so you can put some blue background, click that image, and then there's so many choices here. Okay, so you can pick anything you want here to be. Let's try this one. Okay, or let's say a little more solid. I would like more this one. Okay, save image as, save that. Okay, so let's go back there and go find that on the computer. It's right here. This is what I saved from Google's. Okay, so you can just click that and will show on this blank page right here. So if that's too small, you just go ahead, stretch that out, okay, or find some bigger image where you don't have to stretch and you don't lose the quality of the pictures. All right, and then if you want some emoji on the second layer, so just go ahead and type emoji, and you can even you can choose specific faces or specific emoji you want. Okay, example emoji, I want happy emoji and I would like a transparent for there's no layer. Okay, so happy emoji. So let's try this one. Okay, so I just go ahead, click the right click and save image as. save image as, and I'm just go ahead and go back to this website and click upload image again, and it's right here. So just click that and right here. Okay, so you can resize and you can move it around wherever you want. You want here, you want there, you want here, you want here, whatever you want. Okay, so you can add a text. All right, just click this the letters. You can add a text. Say, I am happy. And the text is, you can resize that as well. It's right here in the right side. Click that. Okay. And you can change the color. You can change any color you want. Put that white. And you can put some layer as well. Let's see. I'm going to put some red layer. And you can resize the layer as well. Okay. So just click that here. And you can also, hold on. Next example, you miss the type and you want to change it. Just click that, double click, and there you go. And also you can make this bigger. Okay, just drag that. Okay, you can resize that the way you want to. All right, and then you can change the font wherever you want. It's just you want to be in the center, you can do that. For the font, the letters is right here. Okay, double click that and then go find font you want. Okay, so example, I want this. All right, I am happy. So it's the same thing. You can move that around if you want to. All right. And what else what we can do? And yeah, you can just explore whatever you want. Just be creative. Okay, this is the simple you can make. Right, very simple and easy. You can if you want more, you want this on, move that around, and you want more text on the bottom. Okay, click that and click over here, and the same thing, just type how about you? Are you happy? Okay, so it's the same thing. You can move this around and you can resize this. You can resize that. Okay, you can move, and also you can move the background as well around. It's very easy. I love this website. All right, now if you're happy, example, you're happy, what you did, just go ahead. Okay, let me move this a little bit right here, and there you go. There's some more option here. You can just explore. There is a shape. If you want a heart here, just go ahead, do that. And if you want to change that colors, just go ahead, click the colors, layers. Okay, a border. This is a border. Okay, click a border. So I would like a border, a blue border, and a color. Change the color of the heart. Okay, so it's the same thing. You can drag this everywhere. Okay, anything, anywhere you want to, you can drag that. This one is the call part here. You can make this upside down and to the left or to the right. This is the option right here. Since that is facing straight, you cannot see the facing go to the left or right. So what else you can do? There's so many here. You can just, there's a pen tool. You can just click that. It's right here. Okay, So yeah, I don't want the video is too long, so I'm just gonna end this. I just show you how to use the very basic, but you can make very professional thumbnails. Okay, just add a background, second layer, and more decoration, whatever you want, and a title or any kind of text you want to put on your thumbnail. All right, so I will show you how to download that. Okay, just only the example, the easier you can put together the thumbnail. Okay, so when you happy, example, I'm happy right now and I want this on my YouTube's thumbnail. What you need to do, just go ahead, click the export button. Okay, so here you go, the previews you made. Okay, so right here the default is veggie, but change that to PNG. All right, make sure to change that to PNG before you can download as a pictures. So here's the option, here's the download button here. Just click that and we'll show you right here. When it's done, is go ahead, is open this. Let's go open this. Okay, so it's right here. What you need to do is just go ahead and click that and save as whenever you want to save that. Okay, so I will save that here and I will show you, and you can see that is already there. All right, so let's go. It's right here. Okay, you see that it's already here. Then I will show you how to download that on your YouTube's. Okay, so let's see, go back there again. I'll show you. I want to make sure this is we just did. This is the finished product. It's ready to download on YouTube, and that is your thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to download that on YouTube using a thumbnail. First of all, go to your YouTube and log in and click Creator Studio. Creator Studio, and find which one you want to change. Okay, so example, I just download this. Let's go. Okay, example, you want to change the thumbnail of this video. Find the video you want to change the thumbnail, and you can see right here, custom thumbnail. Okay, click that custom thumbnail and click wherever you want here. This is what we just make. Okay, just double click that and we'll show right here. Okay, then make sure you save changes. When you click save changes and go scroll down to make sure it's saved. Now it said all changes is saved. Okay, let's go check it out if it is showing the thumbnail we just download. Okay, go to video manager. Now here you go, it's changed. Okay, it was a baby pictures, now is the thumbnail you just make. All right, so that's it. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy to make a thumbnail and 100% free using Pixlr, and this is what I made earlier. So this is my finished product earlier today. So I already downloaded that. If you can see, it's right here. Okay, I just downloaded that. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope this is helpful. It will help you out how to make thumbnails, a professional thumbnail 100% free using a Pixlr, and also I hope help you out how to custom your thumbnails. And if you have any question, comments, please leave a message. I will try my best to answer as soon as possible I can. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit like if you like the video, and please share this on any social media or your friend, whoever you think will benefits to this simple and easy tutorial for how to make a custom professional thumbnail using Pixlr. Alright guys, thank you so much again and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.